Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to create custom Marquee in Flutter. So I have a color list. So first of all, we will create a horizontal list. Now for that, we can use the body and I'm going to use ListView.builder. And in the item builder, first of all, we will get the element of color. So it is like final color equal to colors and we will access by the index. Okay. After that, we can return a container and we can say assign this color to this container. Let's also add a text. Let's say it moving text. Okay, we got it, but we want a horizontal list. So we have to add scroll direction. And we can say axis dot horizontal. It's looking nice. We will come to this error. So before that, uh, let's just start with the scrolling thing. So to control the animation on list or anything, we have to create a scroll controller. So for that, I'm going to create a scroll controller. And we have to update our UI or we have to keep scrolling. So we will need a timer for that. Let's call it timer. After that, we will override the init state method. And in that, we will write our logic after the first frame is rendered. So we will use the add post frame callback. And here we can say timer. And here I'm going to call a start function, which will start the Marquee effect. Let's put it here. And I'm going to also override the dispose method. So we don't have any memory leak. So we can say controller.dispose and we can say timer.cancel. Okay. Now we have to put our logic here. First of all, we have to periodically scroll. So we are going to use timer.periodic. And in that, we have to add duration. I'm going to use 50 milliseconds. And we got the callback here. So this callback will run after every 50 milliseconds. Now in that, we can check if this controller has any client, like this controller is assigned to any widget. If it is assigned, then animate to this offset. Now what we will do, we will grab the current offset of the controller and we will add some value to it. Okay, let's say here I'm adding 2. For the duration, we can just provide the same as the uh, period periodic one. And for the curve, I will go with the ease in. Okay, now we have to assign this controller to our list view. So we can say like controller. Okay, let's do a reload. Now you can say our list is scrolling. Let's just increase the offset by 20. So as you can see, we will get a range error because we haven't defined our item count. So what we can do, we can add a other logic and we can do colors dot length. Now we have a infinite list and our marquee is ready. And if you want to shrink the size, we can grab the container with center and the size is too or the speed is too fast. So instead of 20, let's say we will like to 5. Okay. So we got our marquee working. You can customize all this stuff here, or you can make a separate widget and utilize all over your project. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.